Welcome my dear students. Today we will solve a CBSE board exam question based on some applications of trigonometry. Question number 1. One observer estimates the angle of elevation to the basket of a hot air balloon to be 60 degree, while another observer 100 meter away estimates the angle of elevation to be 30 degree. Find the height of the basket from the ground, the distance of the basket from the first observer's eye. Third, the horizontal distance of the second observer from the basket. Take under root 3 is equal to 1.732. यह क्वेश्चन CBSE 2023 स्टैंडर्ड में आया है. सॉल्यूशन. बैलून इज एट बी पर वॉल्यूम है. लेट ए बी इज इक्वल टू एच मीटर and AC is equal to X. So first observer is at the point C and second observer at the point D, and CD is equal to 100 meter. So CD is equal to 100 meter given in right triangle ABC. AB upon AC. AB upon AC is equal to opposite side upon adjacent side equal to tan 60 degree. So put the values. So h upon x is equal to under root 3 because tan 60 degree is equal to under root 3. So this implies h is equal to under root 3x. This is equation 1. Again in triangle ABD, AB upon AD. AB upon AD is equal to opposite side upon adjacent side is equal to, अब इनकी वैल्यू रख दीजिए AB और AD की. तो h upon x plus 100 is equal to tan 30 degree. This implies h upon x plus 100 is equal to 1 upon under root 3 because tan 30 की वैल्यू 1 upon under root 3 है. So this implies क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए. Under root 3h is equal to x plus 100. This is equation 2. Now put the value of h in equation 2 from equation 1. Equation 1 से ये equation 1 है, इससे equation 2 में h की वैल्यू रख दीजिए. तो under root 3 into under root 3x is equal to x plus 100. This implies x is equal to 15. Now the first part of the question. What is the first part of the question? The height of the basket from the ground. So put the value of x in equation 1. So h is equal to under root 3 into 50 is equal to 1.732. Under root 3 की ये वैल्यू रख दी into 50 is equal to 86.6 meter. Now the second part of the question. The distance of the basket from the first observer's eyes. So first observer at the point C. So we have to find out the CB or BC. So in triangle ABC में देखिए ABC में AC upon CB और BC. So in triangle ABC, AC upon BC is equal to adjacent side upon hypotenuse is equal to base upon hypotenuse is equal to cos 60 degree. So x upon BC is equal to half because cos 60 degree is equal to half, and AS या AC is equal to x. So this implies 50 upon BC is equal to हाफ, क्योंकि x को हमने 50 के बराबर कैलकुलेट किया है. तो 50 अपॉन BC इज इक्वल टू हाफ. दिस इम्प्लाइज BC इज इक्वल टू 100 मीटर. नाउ द थर्ड पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. द हॉरिजॉन्टल डिस्टेंस ऑफ द सेकंड ऑब्जर्वर फ्रॉम द बास्केट. बास्केट यहाँ पर है, सेकंड ऑब्जर्वर ये है, तो यहाँ से ये हॉरिजॉन्टल डिस्टेंस हो गई AD. सो AD इज इक्वल टू x प्लस 100 इज इक्वल टू 50 प्लस 100, x की वैल्यू रख दी, इज इक्वल टू 150 मीटर। इसके साथ बेस्ट ऑफ लक, थैंक यू।